Hi everyone, welcome back to Anna Let's Talk. Today's topic is seasons and weather. There are 4 seasons in a year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In spring, the weather is warm. Flowers bloom. The trees are green. In summer, the weather is hot. We go swimming. We have picnics. In autumn, it's cool and windy. The leaves fall. It's the harvest season. In winter, it's cold. Sometimes it snows. People stay warm inside. Now let's learn some common weather words: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, hot, cold, warm, foggy, stormy. Now let's try some questions. What's the weather like today? It's sunny and warm. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? I prefer cold weather. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. What do you like to do in spring? I like going on picnics and walking in the park. Let's review. There are 4 seasons. The weather can be sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. My favorite season is spring. That's it for today. Thanks for learning with Anna Let's Talk. See you next time.